Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Are you looking for another low investment, high returns business idea, or are you looking to start a business that needs no inventory, has no shipping hassles, and allows you to remotely work from your home sweet home? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can make money by selling digital products online. So buckle up and let's get right into it. So today's technology's incredible evolution over the last few years have pushed literally everything to go digital. This has opened up numerous business opportunities in an already diverse marketplace. Sure, you can now sell all kinds of products online. So where do digital products fit in specifically? To answer that question, let's first look at what exactly is a digital product. So in simple terms, a digital product is a product that is created and sold in a digital format, obviously, that can only be accessible by electronic devices like your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The main point here is that they are created solely to be used as a virtual item. That is, they don't have any sort of physical form. In fact, we all use digital products on a daily basis. Examples like downloadable music, ebooks, software, apps, photographs, and many more. It is these products that makes this world digital, and that's where they fit in. So now your next question will be, why dip my feet into digital products business? What is so special about this business? Well, where do we start? Digital products are easy to create and easy to sell. The same product can be replicated numerous times and sold. It's comparatively sustainable. The overhead cost is extremely low. These are just some of the reasons why the business of digital products is doing so well as compared to physical goods or products. Yes, creating the products will require you to be little well-versed in technology, especially if your product is something like a software or an app. But even otherwise, there are multiple free courses and educational videos on the internet that will help you learn, hone your skills, and practice. In fact, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and are looking for business ideas to start off with, the digital products business would be a brilliant way to begin your journey. So how do you kickstart a digital product business? With so many smartphone applications, websites, software easily available and accessible, setting up a digital product business can be achieved in a number of different ways. But before diving straight in, it is always important, just like every other business venture, to outline your business plan and strategize it well. Here's a roadmap of how to get about your very own digital product business. Number one is choosing the right digital product business that is suited for you. After assessing your skills and talents, this should be pretty straightforward, but how will the products be created? What equipment and software will you be needing? Do you know how to use those equipment and software? To be successful in the digital product world, you have to be among the best in the market and unique at what you do. That is what will set you apart from other competitors. Choose the digital product you feel you have a passion towards. You may already have a knowledge on how to create the product, but you will also need the willingness to learn and get better, because that is what will propel you towards success. Number two is create and build your own online portfolio. We all have accounts on social media, be it Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. Digital products can gain impressive ground by simply posting and promoting them over on social media. If people like them, they get shared easily and reshared, and your reach increases, which means you get more eyeballs and potential customers. So set up an online profile along with your social media account, create a website showcasing your products. You can use Dukaan to create your own online store in 3 easy steps. Check out the link in the description to get started. Number three is strategize on pricing. Pricing could be a very critical part when it comes to selling digital products. Unlike physical products where you know how much you spend on sourcing, production, and inventory, digital products depend solely on the value of the finished product. Be reasonable with your pricing model and make sure you validate it with other entrepreneurs and business people. Many digital products offer trials and demos, subscriptions, added bonuses, and even a money-back guarantee to help customers make their decision on the purchase of the product. One thing you do not want to do is to underprice the product and make it cheap. Always compare your product to your existing related and similar products and their pricing. Keep testing your pricing and adapt to the market. Number four is upload your product on numerous websites and applications. There are thousands of websites and applications available that offer their platforms to showcase and sell your digital products. Research and find out the best ones that cater to your particular product and upload your work. Make sure you have a good 5 or more websites that you have posted and showcased your digital product on. This not only ensures you are reaching out to a bigger audience, but increases your chances of selling your product. On Dukaan app, setting up your digital product business is super easy. On the app itself, you get to create your business, showcase your products, and set set prices on your products, even promote them on various social media platforms. So start your own digital product business with Dukaan in 3 easy steps. Name your store, upload your products, and start selling. Simple, isn't it? The download links to the app are in the description below. Do check them out. We hope you liked the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time.